So yesterday my clutch dropped in my car, and I'm gonna figure out and show you guys kind of what the problem is. But as you see, my clutch is out right now. When I press it in, it gets stuck and doesn't come back up, but you can still pull it back up. There's a little bit of pressure right there. You can feel the plates actually moving, but once it goes all the way in and gets stuck, it feels really spongy. So it's like really awkward. But open the hood real quick. So we were driving my car all day yesterday, doing a bunch of pulls, and I was in fourth gear, about to drop to neutral because we're coming to a red light, and about to shift back into first when the light turns green, and my car goes nowhere. The clutch hits the floor, and I was like, oh my god. Underneath the top mount intercooler, this is not a stock one, it's Mishimoto, but there's the clutch master cylinder, and it takes the brake fluid from this reservoir and goes down into here, and that controls the motion of your clutch. And you can't tell right now, but there's a little bit of brake fluid dripping underneath there, and that's how I can tell this master cylinder has gone out. So what I'm going to have to do is replace that master cylinder and then bleed the lines, and then it should be good. At first I was like, I don't know, my clutch failed, but after seeing the drips, I can tell. And on the exhaust down there's actually some drips of brake fluid as well. So it's definitely the master cylinder. And they actually do fail quite often. My car's at 80,000 miles, so it's just about time for it to fail. But everything else in the car is going good. Motor's good, compression's good, airflow's fire.